All right, guys. All right, guys. Welcome to the presentation of creating claimable balances. Today, we're going to go ahead and use the ongoing Mars drop as an example. And what we're going to do is go ahead and use our Freighter wallet. And all you got to do is click it if you have Freighter, and you're just like MetaMask on Ethereum. And it's going to put your address in. Now, fetch sequence number. Now, this is just Stellar fetching the next number in the sequence for you. And our text, you don't have to put text. You can put whatever you want. It's going to be get marscoin.com. All right, guys. So it's a pretty cool airdrop. It's very large and it's still ongoing. Now, create claimable balance. Now, what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and create a claimable balance because we want to be able to create trust for people that don't know what trust lines are. So what we have to do is put our asset code. We're going to go ahead and select the issuer ID. And this will work for whatever you're using, whatever asset you want to airdrop. In this example, we're going to go ahead and give out 10. And our destination is going to be okay, now we're going to go back to the lab. We're going to control V that. And now we have a transaction that is ready for signature. Now it's important you decide if it's conditional or unconditional. And the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and sign it. And you're going to sign it with your Freighter wallet right here because you're not using your secret key. Log in, confirm the transaction, and success. Submit it. And it's already signed. Submit it. Success. So there it is for you guys. Now you're going to go back over here and we're going to click XMC. Now, as you can see, a claimable balance has popped up for it. And we just created a claimable balance, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys liked the video here. And it's a really easy thing to do here. You just have to make sure you have enough lumens for the transaction. Okay, guys. And there it is. As you can see, sorry about that, guys. It took a minute to pop up. And now we have our created claimable balance on there. All right, guys, enjoy your afternoons. I hope everyone's having a lovely day and a lovely week. And this is just more educational information on the Stellar Network.